Now for the same map, now I have selected another section GH, which is almost at very high angle to the previous section EF. Here there will be some other issue which I will try to resolve. If you move from G to H, you will be on grit, followed by mudstone, then sandstone, then shale, and then siltstone and claystone. Conglomerate is missing along your section line. Along your section line, conglomerate is missing. But because conglomerate is a youngest rock of the older series, but it is definitely older than the rocks of upper series. So it may or may not be present under the ground. We don't know. So my question is that if we have this drill hole, if we can have this drill hole, are we going to get conglomerate or not? Because on the ground I am drilling on the conglomerate. Let's see what is. Oh, I have to check it here, not there. Sorry, I have to check it here. That are we going to get conglomerate here or not? Here you will definitely get conglomerate because you are drilling on conglomerate. This is the question. This is not the question. This is the question that will be getting conglomerate or not. So I have folded the map along this section line GH, and I have solved this section. You see, along GH I have transferred the contours. With the help of contours I have made a profile. Then I have transferred the angle of dip here, and for this rock here my section line is going out of the map boundary. No problem. I have extended the strike line till it cuts my section line. I have extended the strike line by broken lines so that it can cut my section line. I am interested in getting these 2 points, 600 and 500 points, this distance. So I have transferred it here. And this angle of dip I have got here. With this angle of dip I have made all these contacts parallel, and with this angle of dip of upper series I have made parallel the claystone and siltstone. Now in this mid part, you see the blank part, I have got this rock exposed, shale. I am getting little of shale here. Just see this point. This up to this we are getting shale. So that I have shown here. But how it is getting extended under the ground, we don't know. So yes, we have shale, but is it present all through? Is it present all through or not? So we know the thickness of shale is 200 meters. We know the thickness of shale is 200 meters. In my this section, I have got the lower contact of shale. In previous section, we have got the upper contact of shale, and by taking 200 meter thickness, I have shown you the other rocks. Here I have got the lower contact. I know the thickness of the rock is 200. So I will try to find out the upper contact, which should be 200 meters above this. So I have got this contact here. See here. I have got this contact here. So this is all shale. And after this, the space left is conglomerate. So yes, if we make a drill hole there, we will get conglomerate under the ground. I was talking of drill hole here. What you are going to get in the drill hole at this very point. So you see, I have got this solution that if you make a drill hole, you will first drill through the claystone, then siltstone, then conglomerate, and then into the shale. If you go below the baseline, you may also get sandstone. If you go below the baseline. So this is the solution where I have used the thickness of the rocks to solve the whole map. So if you have understood this much, you can solve this map from anywhere except the southmost line. This east-west और west-east line, ये जो west-east line है मैप की, यहाँ पे आप सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे I may try and I may solve it, but not you. So that's all for this section. Play with this map, try to come up with some new sections and new solutions, and let's see that how can you easily solve this map. Thank you.